Are you overwhelmed by the amount of things in your home? Are there more items than you use on a daily basis? Can you find what you need when you need it? Are the walls closing in on you? Are you unsure where or how to start organizing it to make it useful and functional? I used to feel just the same. My kids were little, there were toys and books and clothes everywhere, and I couldn't even find a place to sit down and relax without panicking about all the stuff laying around in my house. I have many clients too who just have too many items in their home for the amount of space that they have, and so they can't use them effectively or find them. It took me time and patience and learning some new skills, and now I can walk through my home without tripping on stuff. When I look when I need to look for something, it's in one of two places, and I don't lose important paperwork anymore, and when we need to actually clean up, it doesn't take nearly as long. I am Amy Novick from Clutter Care Professional Organizing, and I specialize in home, paper, and digital clutter. You can learn skills too that will help you get through your house. In just 4 online home organization classes, I will guide you through thoughtfully organizing one space in your home by learning new ideas and practicing some new helpful skills so then you can take those skills and apply them to the rest of your home. The first class is discussing your vision of your organized home. Why do you want one? What is your vision of one? And how long will it actually take? Second is decluttering. Why do we have and keep stuff? How much do we actually need? The decluttering process and how to decide what to keep, donate, or trash. Third class will discuss actually organizing and what does organizing your home really mean. We'll discuss zones, categories, and the correct space and containers for your home, for your items in your home. And lastly, maintaining your home organization. How do you stay organized? We'll discuss simple systems, logical places, and how planning now saves time later. So, if this sounds like a great class for you, click the link in the comments below to register, or go to cluttercare.net for a more detailed description of each of the 4 classes. I look forward to seeing you online soon.